Propagate Bougainvillea. Like a pro with HH Beauty Garden's secret tip. Hello friends, nice to see you again at HH Beauty Garden. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a brand new propagation tip that will make rooting bougainvillea branches easier and faster than ever before. Tell me, where are you watching from? I'd love to be friends with all of you. Let's chat every day and share useful knowledge about plants right here at HH Beauty Garden. Now, back to our main topic. First, you'll need to cut a healthy bougainvillea tip, about 20 cm long. Make sure to remove all leaves and thorns from the bottom section. If you're new to HH Beauty Garden, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our amazing tips. Next, take 3 cloves of garlic, peel them, and then finely chop them. Garlic is incredibly effective in treating fungal diseases and bacteria that can harm your plants. Pour in 100 ml of water, then stir everything well. Now, here's an HH Beauty Garden exclusive. Use a cotton pad soaked in this garlic water to thoroughly clean your bougainvillea branches, especially the cut ends. This helps prevent any unwanted nasties. After cleaning, soak the bougainvillea branches in the garlic water for about 10 minutes. While those are soaking, grab 1 piece of aloe vera leaf. Peel off the skin and then chop the clear pulp. Aloe vera is fantastic for plant growth, particularly for stimulating new root development. I truly believe every garden should have at least 1 aloe vera plant, as we at HH Beauty Garden know it has so many other uses. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to the aloe vera cup. Then, take half a carrot and chop it up. We're going to make a small hole in the middle of a larger carrot piece. This will be our special rooting holder. Continue chopping the rest of the carrot. Pour in 300 ml of water and stir everything well. For our planting medium, we'll be using sand. Fill a plastic cup about 2/3 full with sand. Then, take your prepared bougainvillea branch and gently stick it into the carrot piece, with the hole. Place the carrot and branch into the sand-filled cup. Add more sand to fill the rest of the cup, gently securing the branch. After your garlic water soak, filter out any garlic residue. Pour the 2 cups, the filtered garlic water and your aloe, Vera rice carrot mixture, together and stir well. Use this powerful mixture to moisten the sand in your propagation cup. Finally, cover the entire cup with a plastic bag. Wrap it tightly with tape, ensuring that no water vapor can escape. This creates a miniature greenhouse effect, helping the plant retain moisture much better. Place your covered plant in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight, with a temperature of about 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. In just 3 days, you'll see condensation inside the plastic bag, and guess what? Young roots will have grown vigorously. This HH Beauty Garden tip truly works wonders. Now, all that's left is to carefully move your new bougainvillea plant to a larger pot to help it grow best and produce more beautiful flowers sooner. Let me show you these amazing new roots. You won't believe your eyes.